pictures have fonts that are like big fonts, which is gonna be helpful for all the beginners, which means beginner readers, guys. So I've selected some books for the beginner readers. So let's go! First series of this list is Mr. Jacob! I love Mr. Jacob, guys. So most of you guys haven't heard of this series, and this is a great fun and magic series. It's kind of Harry Potter, but there is a change in it. You know, like baby Harry Potter and Mr. Jacob. You know, like they were studying in a normal school, these kids, and their principal is normal, but Mr. Jacob, who is the teacher of these kids, is a magic man. So this is Mr. Jacob. I've got 2 books in it, and I made a review of this one. And it's also great. So talking about this book, Mr. Jacob and the school book, it was really great. They were traveling with fancy lit. It was great. And this one is Mr. Jacob. It's about like how he's a new teacher. Mr. Jacob is a new teacher, and it's about how he sees all of his kids. He makes a problem and just solve it out or sort it out, guys. So this is the first book. So guys, talking about what is the second series of this list, it is Roald Dahl, guys. So Roald Dahl's book is a great book, and it made an information video by Roald Dahl. You can watch it and enjoy it, guys. And I've got 10 of books, like 4 books which are written by him, and these were, like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and this one is Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. These 2 are one of the favorite, and if you really like give it to your children, I'm sure that they'll be growing out as a beautiful and a great person, because it tells about how should a kid behave, and it also includes a great story, guys. And these 2 are the second and third books. So these are The Witches, and this is James the Giant Peach. James the Giant Peach, I'm trying to read this, so once I'm done reading it, I'm sure I'm gonna be giving you a review on it. And this is the new book which I got, The Witches. I think it's a horror book. I'm feeling really scared for reading this book, but although it's kind of interesting, I read 2 pages, so I have to go from there. No, so this is the second series. The third series is, some people who are obsessed with pictures. There are some kids or the beginner readers who are obsessed with pictures, so you can give them a comic, graphic novel. So the graphic novel which I have is Ghost by Natalie Raymer. It's about, the beautiful memories story about these both girls who are Maya and Katrina. It's about how they became more kind, how they became, how they were kind towards each other, and it talks also about some of the horror things. So this book is about that, and it includes, great pictures like this, and it's filled with illustrations. Cool, and there's a lot of interesting illustrations by Natalie Raymer, and she's the New York #1 best-selling series, guys. This is New York #1 best-selling series. It's kind of really interesting. So you can try it out. So the 4th series of this list is Diary of the Wimpy Kid. This book is really funny. #1, and #2 is easily focused. #3 has a lot of funny pictures. #4, it's like a journal. So as we all know, a journal is easy to read. This is kind of journal, and it's really great. And it posts a lot of videos on them. So this is one series, and I feel really great for having this series. And these 2 are the new books which I got from the series, and it's a really great one. I haven't read them yet. This is Dog Days. This is the 3rd wheel. It's one of my favorites, so I'm thinking to read all of the Wimpy Kid series and complete them out. And they also have made, Wimpy Kid 3 tours of book. It's kind of like a beautiful activity book where it contains, colorful comics or even some interesting questions which you can work on. And you've also got a lot more to do. And it's really great. And then this is the book. There's also one wiki book. It looks like this. inside it has a lot of great pictures and great illustrations, which is gonna be a great one. And the last but not the least, the fifth in the list is Lord Henry. Haven't got a lot of books from Lord Henry. It's a different book, I think so. And this is a great book. And I feel really funny. If you really want a great, review, then watch our channel videos. I've posted a recent video on the Lord Henry, the funny book. And the topic that I chose is Lord Henry meets the Queen. And there are a lot more like these. These are the whole series, and I've got we've got great illustrations like these, which are totally interesting thing, and it's also really funny, great. But tell your children that not to take the character of Lord Henry because he's really rude, kind of, and he's totally kind of bad guy or bad kid. And to say that I haven't seen a kid yet like him this whole universe. So I would tell you to try this cute and an interesting book. So these are my series, guys. So you can try it and tell me how was your experience reading all of these books. So bye guys. See you next awesome video.